Yeah, I hope you're good. So I'm currently on my way out. I'm going to be picking up my parcel from Leg Out Clothing from my nearest store. Okay, it's been delivered to my nearest store, so I'm going to be picking up my parcel. And yeah, I really can't wait to unbox it with you guys and make some content with it. But yeah, I'm actually not feeling well. You probably can tell from my voice, but yeah, I'm gonna get there. Okay, I've been trying to work out, but it's trying to keep me down. So yeah. Alright, y'all, I've just picked up my parcel. I actually wanna do like a an unboxing video. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do an unboxing video. So I'll be unboxing my parcel with you guys and you get to see my first reaction. How nice is that? Yeah, I just can't wait. It's late right now. I think it's 8 and I'm going to work out, even though I'm sick. Like, we pushed through. So yeah, I'm gonna unbox this tomorrow. I really can't wait, and I'm definitely gonna try it on immediately. And then we'll set a date, take some pictures, and yeah, I guess that's it. So this is what I got. I got the Leg Out hoodie. This is cute. I love it. I love the texture and the feel of the hoodie. And then I got this too. Yeah. I just hope it fits me. But yeah, love the branding too. I'm so excited to wear these. Guys, take me out so that I can wear my, and look cute. Hey y'all, I hope you're good. I've recently got my nails done. So excited. Right now I don't know what I'm gonna do. Like, yeah, I love the set. I just love the set. And also, can we talk about my top? Can we talk about this? Because it's giving, I don't know, it's giving everything. And I'm just in love. I'm just in love with it. Yeah, I'm quite exhausted. I don't know. I'm just tired. But I'm excited because I got my nails done. Okay, so right now I'm going to the gym in Rivonia Village. After that, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but this morning I'm just gonna go to the gym, lift some weights. I'll take you guys with me, and then we'll see from there. No, after that it's going to be unboxing. We'll be unboxing my Herbalife product. I'm out here waiting patiently. Yeah, I just hate waiting. I don't know, I just hate waiting. But yeah, after this we're going straight to the gym, and I'm gonna let you guys see a few of my exercises, the whole feel, and then after that probably grab something to eat and then go back home. Yeah. Okay, so I'm currently at the gym, and right now I'm just gonna do a few workouts, and after that we're just gonna go. Okay, let me take a video of how I look. This is me and my shorts, or rather tie. Yeah, and we are gonna go work out. Okay.
Fight the fear when I feel like dying. I'm trying to fly high, but I'm not a pilot, can't deny it. There's some days I feel idiotic, just a product of a system where you're lucky just to make $1. That ain't gonna stop.
Okay, so it's post-gym now, and I'm going to Carnival City. Yeah, let's go. Just ordered my meal, and Angel likes something I had. I'm gonna put a plate. Yeah. You know what? Right now I'm just gonna go watch go-karts. And yeah, it's an experience. What a great time to be alive. Can I have some popcorn? I am done. I'm officially done. It's the end of the day, and I'm just gonna go home, do some unboxing, and I'll see you guys the next day. Right now, I'm going to be unboxing my Herbalife package. Yay! Okay, I don't know. I don't have a scissor or a knife, so I'm gonna try to do this the getaway. Yeah. I don't know, man. It's not a surprise because I already know what's inside, but just opening it up and see. Guys, I am in love. Look at how nicely placed it is. I mean, and we have the flavor smooth chocolate. I mean, I love my chocolate. Okay, so yeah, I got the flavor smooth chocolate, and I really just can't wait to use it and get the gains and, you know, be that girl. But yeah, shake, yay, let's celebrate. And there's a love letter. No, I'm kidding, it's not a love letter. I wish it was. Basically, they're just telling me that they delivered to my place, my name, alright, but the girl has her shake, and all you're going to see from here on is results. Nothing less. It's full. Listen to that. Bye. Okay, bye. Okay, bye. Okay. Well, up close them. Okay. So with this shake, you can use it as a meal replacement. You know, for those people who have busy mornings, they can take this as their breakfast replacement. You get people like me who want to work out and get the gains, you can use this shake. Well, you get people who want to lose weight and then they don't want to have, you know, so many meals in a day, so they take the shake in replacement of large meals. Okay, so yeah, the shake is like really versatile. The shake is the best seller. The shake is everything. The shake is the power, and I really can't wait to try my flavor. We have smooth chocolate here. The one flavor I was in love with was vanilla, but you know, we have to move. It tasted like ice cream, so now I'm gonna use this one. I'm not gonna say that I'm going to be trying chocolate because I've had it before and I loved it, and it's the reason I fell in love with the product. So it's just me saying that I went back to my fighter. I went back to my... What are you doing, cameraman? Let's fire the cameraman. I went back to my lover. Yeah. Okay, cuts.